Hi, Dr. Aldine, Brooksville Cardiology. We're very excited to share with our patients and our friends and families in Florida and in Hernando and around the nation, around the world, our new global services, namely e-clinic and e-consult. For those who are looking for a second opinion consult, they really don't have to go through the trouble of travel and, for instance, have to go from overseas, get a visa, and have the burden of the travel while they're sick to come all the way to the United States to get a second opinion consult. They can get it from the comfort of their home or office, and they can simply shoot a PDF file, and we can look at it and help them to give them the best opinion for their health, for their heart health. And similarly, we can also have the e-clinic where we can actually talk to them, have a face-to-face conversation like I'm having with you now via Skype. And technology now has made the world so small, and we could do this in both languages, in English and in Arabic, as having to serve a lot of people that have been very excited about this new service. It brings everybody close to home. It brings us closer to our patients and everywhere in the nation and around the globe. And more importantly, hopefully, we'll get the people to get access to 24/7 healthcare that is affordable, that is kind, and that is caring in the global sense of healthcare delivery. Thank you. Look forward to interacting and serving you in our new local, national, and global services with eClinic and eConsult. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Brooksville Cardiology. We're just going to give you a nice grand tour of the facility so you feel at home of what we have to offer here for you. This is our waiting room for the clinical visits, and you see our certificates as well as our extensive community involvement with just about everything that happened locally, with from the Chamber of Commerce to Kiwanis to United Way and to soccer training, YMCA, you name it. We're there to help and serve our community. With that, we're just gonna basically we invite people, if somebody having chest pain, it's very important to let us know. And then once you check in, we're gonna have you come in here, check in with the nurse, and we have our exam room. So we can give you just an example. There's 4 rooms in this area, and this is our exam rooms where we have everything basically with electronic medical records, and so the data are available to the patient and family, and also referring physicians, whether in Hernando or anywhere in the nation. So this is basically the clinical part, and then we're going to let you come in through this transition area where we're going to go into the testing part, where people can come in and have their testing done. This is our more or less break room, and we're going to see a lot of pictures from around different parts of Egypt, where they have underwater photography and Karnak Temple and so on. This is the second part where people come in for testing. And again, this is a relaxing picture of the Nile, and you have our extensive community involvement in all levels, basically, whether it's in Hernando or in Tallahassee, or in schools, as well as have a recognition that we're so proud of, to be the best small business of the year by the local Greater Hernando Chamber of Commerce, as well as Wall Street recognition for the state chairman. So this is basically our waiting area for the exam, for the procedures for testing. And as we go, we will go in. This is just a billing office, and we have state-of-the-art stress lab where we have patients can come in. And they can exercise on a treadmill. They have a crash cart and a monitor and a little TV, and as well as non-invasive cardiac testing with an echocardiogram to look at the heart and look at the heart muscle function and the valves. Also look at the carotid arteries for plaque buildup blockage. Similarly for the aorta, if there's aneurysms, and also detect peripheral vascular disease involving the lower extremity. So we have a very comprehensive a center for really delivering the cutting-edge care for patients and their families, and whether in the area or around the nation or around the world for that matter, as the world's getting smaller and smaller. And we welcome everybody to come and to basically feel comfortable with the facility, with us, as and see for yourself. And that makes you comfortable about knowing us, and we look forward to serving you here. Please visit us on www.brooksvillecardiology.com, and we wish you all the best. Thank you.